welcome back to my channel and to hashtag Mandy Christmas, my Christmas series here on my YouTube channel. So today I thought it would be appropriate, because it's been quite a bit that I've sat down in front of the camera and I've talked to you guys face to face, and yeah, I am going to be giving you guys a bunch of DIY ideas for both male and female friends, family, whomever you want to give this to. I won't be doing any physical DIYs in this video. I'm gonna be, you know, varying up the editing in this video, so it's a little bit different than what I usually put out, just trying new things, you know, whatevs. But yes, I know, okay, I'm blonde. I swear to God, every time you guys see me, my hair is different. Like, am I a chameleon? What's happening? Before we jump into this video, it would mean so much if you guys gave this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe down below if you are brand new. I would love if you joined our friend group we have going here on this channel. It is a wonderful place, just saying. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Idea number one is to give your friend either a knit beanie or arm knitting blanket kit. That is a really big thing right now, super trendy. So in this kit, you would include a ball of yarn and some large knitting needles, or if you plan on the person arm knitting, then you just need a ball of yarn, maybe a link to a YouTube video and like a cute little card, maybe a really cute designed list of instructions. Whatever you guys can think of, go crazy with it. I saw this idea in Home Goods, like this little paper bag that had all the materials you would need to make a knit beanie, and I died. I was like, I have to share this with you guys. It's too cute. The second idea is a perfect little kit for your friend or family member who loves to cozy up in the winter. So in this kit, you would include a throw blanket, a little throw pillow, some lavender essential oils to calm them down if their nerves are completely shot, because I know that my nerves have been all over the place lately. That's another story. Maybe a scarf, some fuzzy socks, whatever you can think of that comes up in your mind as warm and cozy. Put all those things together and that makes such a cute, really nice gift. The next gift idea, preaching to the choir, because I am a coffee lover. I'm such a coffee snob. All my friends know this. I love coffee. So if you have a friend who loves coffee just as much as I do, or even more so, which that might be really tough, but there's some people out there. In this coffee lover kit, maybe you can include a to-go cup, a metal straw that they can reuse with their to-go cup, if they drink iced coffee, that is. A small French press, which I have seen at Marshall's and Home Goods, which kind of made me spark up this idea because I love French press coffee. It's super yummy. And a bag of their favorite ground coffee to go with all their little coffee lover accessories. The next gift idea slash gift kit is for someone who loves cars. So I have someone in my family, my brother specifically, who loves cars. This could be for a female who loves cars as well. I know putting a gift together for this type of thing can be so hard, but here's what I came up with for you guys. So you can include in this gift are some chamois towels to help clean their car, some air fresheners, a car mount for your phone, which I use all the time when I'm playing my music over my car radio, or if you're using a GPS, it seriously comes in handy. I recommend everybody having a car mount. It's incredible. And the last thing, an air tire pump. I swear to God, you guys, these things come in such handy. They are an amazing investment. Like if you get a flat tire on the road, or if one of your tires is low and you're trying to look for a gas station, I know it can be a pain in the neck, so to have one of those, have in your car all charged up, ready to go, this person would appreciate that more than you would ever know. The next gift idea is more geared towards my men out there, and it is a shave kit. I know there are men out there who love to take care of their facial hair, so you can make a little shave kit for this individual, and that can include a buzzer, maybe some beard oil or moisturizer, a facial moisturizer, maybe a pack of razors, really anything you can think of that you would use in your facial skincare beard routine. I mean, I don't know much about grooming a beard, but those are just some ideas. Next idea is a pairing of gifts that is for the adventurer, the wanderlust lover in your life, the person who loves to travel, basically. So maybe you can put together a little gift set for them that they would use when they're either hiking or on another vacation in another country. Just the little things. is what usually get people like, oh my god, I never thought of that. So maybe include a warm knit hat to keep them warm if they are visiting a cooler place, a flashlight because flashlights always come in handy, always, I'm telling you, unless they have it on their phone, but still, you know, it's always nice to have a little handheld flashlight. Maybe a Swiss Army knife if they love camping, maybe a canteen bottle, which always comes in handy. Gotta hydrate when you're out either in the wilderness or on vacation or whatever. It's always good to hydrate and have just a bottle of water on you. Anything else? Maybe like a first aid kit? I don't know. Be creative with this one. The sky is the limit. And the last idea I have for you guys, which is, I feel like, very appropriate for the people of today who love tech, the phone obsessed person in your life. I have some things that you can get this person who loves being on their phone or their tablet, maybe their laptop, I don't know. But here are a couple things that you could put together and give the phone tech lover in your life. An iTunes gift card for the apps that they've had on their saved for later list forever and just weren't sure if they wanted to buy them. Well, there you go. Now they have some free money to use and try out that app that they've been wanting to forever. A screen stylus, which can come in such handy, especially if your phone or tablet has a smaller screen or you just have chunky fingers like myself. Maybe one of those attachable wallets that go onto the back of your phone, a new phone case, screen protectors, because those things, you guys, everybody drops their phone. Let's be real right now. And to have extra screen protectors on hand is love that. And the last thing, which I got for Christmas last year and I absolutely love, is an external thumb drive that goes into your phone that you can export your photos and video to. There are ones that do data as well, but I have the one just for photo and video. I take a ton of photo and video, so it's great to have that, to have all that stuff saved, and I don't have to depend on the cloud for all of that. That's it! Those are all the ideas I had for you guys. I hope you really enjoyed them. I really sat down and thought about these. I wanted to come up with some really fun, unique ideas for you guys because I know picking out gifts for people can be such a pain in the neck. Time flies. It's a week before Christmas. Like, what the heck? Where did the time go? Girl, I don't know, but Christmas is coming, so hurry, get your shopping finished, and I hope this was really helpful. Now for this week, I'm actually going to skip Mandarin of the Week. I really want you guys to go on my last video and answer last week's Mandarin of the Week question. That will be answered in the next video, so if you guys didn't see my last video, it is a DIY Christmas decor video, so please go check it out. It would mean so much to me. I always put a lot of work into my videos for you guys, and I really, really hope that you enjoy them. That's it, you guys. I love you all so incredibly much. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed Christmas, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!